Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your health plan with Molina Healthcare, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your health plan with Molina Healthcare, begin by gathering your personal information. You'll need your policy number, social security number, and any relevant medical records. Visit the Molina Healthcare website by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once on the home page, navigate to the Members section. Look for the option labeled Manage My Account or Member Services. Click on the link to log in to your account. If you haven't created an online account yet, select the option to register. Follow the prompts to enter your information and create an account. After logging in, locate the option for Plan Information or Benefits. Here, you should find a link to reset your plan or a similar option. Click this link to initiate the reset process. You may be required to answer security questions to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your new plan preferences. Review the available options carefully before making your selection. Once you've made your choice, confirm the reset by clicking on the Submit button. Take note of any confirmation number provided for your records. If you experience any issues, locate the Contact Us section for assistance. Consider reaching out via phone or live chat for immediate support. After the reset is complete, keep an eye on your email for confirmation details. Make sure to review your new plan once it becomes active. Check that all your medical providers are in-network under your new health plan. This will ensure you can access the care you need without unexpected costs. Stay informed about your plan's benefits and any changes that may occur in the future. Regularly visit the Molina Healthcare website for updates and resources related to your health plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.